Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow, so this is an Octoport.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who built this port and box?
We actually built it together, me, Cody, and Anthony. Anthony designed it, 3 of us built it together. The port is from GP, so it's just stack fab.
Okay.
I got 4 sent down to say classic 12s on a easy 8K at half ohm.
Nice. What is it tuned to?
I think 32. Or is it lower?
Don't worry about it.
Build.
Okay.
I would say around 32.
Yep. You're having some back hatch flex.
Yeah. Just a little.
Yes, sir. Nice. How much lithium is this? It's a pretty big bank.
160.
Wow. All right. Looks good. What size alternator? Okay. GD Kia. All right. Did you do any kind of SPL tests on it?
Not today, but last time I measured, I was at a 54.2 in the kick.
Okay. Wow. 54s. That's pretty good. Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah, pretty happy with it.
And this is an 8K?
Mm-hmm. At half ohm, I'm clamping around 10K at like 36 hertz.
All right. Wow, 10K. That's pretty good then.
Yeah.
You have it wired down?
Yeah, it's wired down to half ohm.
What sub rating? I forgot. Are these subs rated 750 or 1000?
750. Yeah.
So you're giving them all the juice.
Oh yeah, I'm doing like more than double RMS on them.
And they're handling it well.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You have bass knobs for different speaker subs.
Yeah, so these control my front speakers. So my focal axis 3-ways, and then these are my back doors. I got some Defons Sylvester 8s and the Apocalypse Super Tweeters.
Okay. Nice. It does have a little bit of a higher frequency peak on it.
Yeah. Yeah, because when I meter, I'm doing, I think, 46.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna, about 30 seconds, I'm gonna get out and go see the back flex if that's all right too. Okay. Let me sit outside, that way I don't unload it.
Legends on 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. You know I had this on the fire. Chim Turner, you wish for a body. You know I had this on the fire. If I be too BT, I get Margie, why ain't no BT? Money, kill it, my water. God is on the fire. Timmy Turner, young boy, with you, turn right to long, dead niggas with it, turn right to long, dead niggas with it, 4, 5, 4, 5,
dude. It does play the lows too.
Oh yeah.
So it's impressive.
Oh,
yeah, for just an airport box. Good job. Thank you for the demo. Your name again?
Reagan.
Reagan. All right, man. You have a good day.
Awesome. Thank you. You too.
Yes, sir.